waterfalls coming down here as we get back on the trail here. I'm going to head down this way. Still walking along the trail. The water moving quite fast here. Water level's quite high, they said, this year. Oh, we're still walking along here, and as you can see, water's moving quite fast, and there's a big gigantic log jam over there in the shadows. I don't know if you can see a big log jam, gigantic one. I'm not going to walk down to the bottom. We got to keep up with the group here. I'm on the bridge now. You get a good view of the waterfalls here, I think. Oh yeah. Nice view. Oh, that water moving super fast. Water's moving super fast. Just the other side. There's a little moisture coming up over there. Can't really see the water though. Probably, yeah, it's way down the bottom in the shadows. There's some water. It's moving, but it doesn't look like it's moving until you get in the shade.
The rainbow straight down.
Oh yeah, straight down the bottom. There's the rainbow. Down there, you might be able to see it. Well, you might be able to see another rainbow right about down in there. Still that water and the mist and everything. And very nice here, very nice. There's still the water coming down here as we go along. You can see it all, the mist up there coming down here. Going underneath of us, water moving down there, and we even get the little mist right here where I'm standing. It's a little cool. You see the mist blowing by here. Coming up on another bridge. You take that, go all the way back to Jasper. We're going across the bridge here.
So this is the deepest part of the canyon.
The deepest part of the canyon, right here.
Yeah,
yeah, it's the deepest part. Oh yeah, it's way, way down there in the shadows. You can barely see the bottom down there. It's so dark, no sunlight getting in there. Yeah. Second bridge, depth 51 meters. And it comes out over here on the other side of the bridge. And it still keeps going there. Big canyon here, big split. A little hard to see. I may have to lighten this up so you can see it. There's Shadow Man, of course. He's down there, he's waving at everybody. I always like to see Shadow Man and all the travels there. Okay. We're looking down from the crevasse way down there. As we come up, I didn't give you the full view. Look up, you still see the mountains up there with the snow on them here. So beautiful day here, beautiful day. All right. There's a bighorn sheep horn, and it is quite heavy here. You can see inside of it. Look at the size of that. I'll put it up next to my hand here, and you can see. Yeah, okay, go ahead.
Pheromones.
You get a perfect view and you're at a stop sign, red light, so.
Okay, I think I got it. Yes.
green light, so we're gonna